Hi my friends, welcome back to the channel. So as you can see, it's nice bright and early. It's just almost 6 o'clock. Basically, if you watched yesterday's video, we got the car finally started for the first time after the full engine build. But that was like, the first start was like at 11:30 at night, so we couldn't leave it running too long. So we had to switch it all off, pack all the stuff up, and now obviously the car shows today entries between 6:30 and 9:30. So yeah, like I said, it's 6 o'clock, but we're meeting at Exeter for 8, so we've got like an hour basically to get the headlights on, the bumper on, fix that exhaust leak, because we got on the downpipe here there's a bad leak, so we need to fix that because it fumes up the cab, and to let the engine actually run in properly, because like, what was it, 1-2 minutes, whatever it was ran for, was not long enough for the engine to run in, and it's misfiring a bit. And I'm hoping once it runs a bit in, obviously all the tapping will stop from the hydraulic lifters and stuff filling up. So I'm going to wang the headlights and the bumper on. Scotty's on his way. I'm going to jack it up, fix that, hopefully try and fix that exhaust leak, and then just start the car up when it gets a bit later, so we can actually drive it hopefully. But yeah, that's the situation. I'll take you along to BHP, the car show. Hopefully it's all involved in this video, so we get this thing started, we drive there, show you the car show, drive it back. First proper drive. Who knows? Let's give it a go. Hey?
What did you do?
Right guys, I got a few more turns on, well, one of them bolts really. It was quite loose, one of them, so hopefully that stops the leak, because there ain't really anything else. I can't really get a socket on the end of these bolts properly, because they're only little short bolts, which is shocking. We should have changed them, but we ain't got none spare here. So yeah, now I'm gonna put headlights and bumper on and then send it. Hopefully it works out. Drop it back down. Let's start this bad boy.
Come on. Oh, that was louder than mine.
Right, we've had it running for like 10-15 minutes. It all sorted itself out with the misfiring and all that. It's all running smoothly now. But we went to shut the bonnet and we can't shut it for some reason. It won't latch. So this is an annoying thing, but
I can't get it out.
Can't get it out.
It's stuck against the rad now.
Oh yeah, shit. You just put it back in and we'll put a spanner on it.
I can't put it back in because I can't switch it.
But yeah, we're just going to do a first drive straight to Exeter, it seems. Dodgy. We are up and running and the bonnet's closed. Scotty's loud Scooby, can't even hear the Skyline. Right, we're going to Exeter. First drive. Running. We failed, guys. There's no way I could drive it. It's misfiring. It's just not, it's running alright. It's just, it needs like sorting out. It needs new spark plugs or something, coil packs. So we're in the A45 again. God damn. Almost, so close. We'll get it fixed, get some new spark plugs in there, get it plugged into put the ECU plugged in and see what it's saying.
Yeah, I think that's what it needs.
Needs an ECU. checking. A proper tuner needs to tune it. So yeah, we're in A45. Oh well, sad times. No, all the Skylines are here apart from mine. That's my mate's Jordan's at the front there. Similar colours to mine, it's not exactly the same, it's a bit lighter. And then my mate Damien at the front there. You remember you've seen it on the channel if you watched a few videos ago when we smashed his window. I'll show you properly when we get to the show. But yeah, he literally got it back from paint, I think yesterday. Straight out. Got a bunch of MX-5s in front, rubbish. But I'll show you at the show some of them. Get in it. We made it. Oh, the Skylines and the little AMG. Bunch of other stuff. And then Scotty, Scooby, RS, MX-5. These aren't part in the front, I don't think. I don't know them. Next time they ask me to come inside, I'll accept it just because it's cool. Right?
Yeah. And we have a Golf with neons. GTI! Old school. Okay, lowrider.
Steering wheel's on the wrong side.
Yeah. Won't bother looking at that, it's boring, everyone's got one of them.
Goose flew out, went between the roof rack and the
Beast.
roof, straight down.
Ryan in the way. Like Mark II.
On that list.
Did ya?
I think that might be the one I won there.
The list what I'll put mine on? Mine and yours?
Yeah. Winner.
What, that one?
Yeah.
We'll go around it. It's got RB25 in it. Polo. The Dub Club.
Make your van running out, Scott.
Yeah, that will only cost me like 25 grand.
Oh, a bit of paint.
Bit of paint.
It's in there, right? Drop them.
It's mint. Mine's rusty. It's nice though. S2000. Mate, the fucking number plate will be worth a bit of money.
Yeah. Missing the zero though.
My zoom is rubbish.
Well, there you go, guys. That's us back in Plymouth. Just a short one, really. Obviously, a bit of a shame we didn't take the blue Skyline, but it is what it is. You can't expect to wang an engine in after it being built and it just starts straight up and run fine. Well, I'd like that, but that ain't the way it goes, is it? So, next we'll be getting the tuner to come to me, I think, program it in. What's wrong with it? I think it's because we put the 1000cc injectors in and we had the stock ones before. Obviously you've got to swap them around to let the ECU know how much fuel to pump in, and maybe it's sending in too much fuel or not enough, I don't know. But like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And tomorrow I'll be taking Scotty's Scooby down to the fabricator, Julian at Pro 4M, and getting some welding done that he's doing. Obviously we're not doing that, he's going to do that, and probably make a video on that, who knows. But plenty to do on the Skyline anyway. Catch you the next time, guys. Take it easy.